Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll offer ourselves gentle forgiveness so that we can turn our regrets into lessons that help us move forward in a good way. Take a moment to settle into an easy, seated position. Slowly close your eyes. Feel your sitting bones rooting down into your cushion or chair. Let your back gently extend upward, keeping your body alert yet relaxed. Soften your shoulders and arms, and rest your hands comfortably in your lap. And with the next few breaths, use your exhales to soften and release any tension. With each breath out, letting go a little further. Now, draw your attention to your breath. Notice the physical sensations as you feel your body breathing. Your belly expanding and releasing. Your ribs widening and softening. Your chest rising and falling. And the cool and warmth of your breath passing through your nostrils. And when you notice your mind wander or you get distracted by physical sensations, emotions, or outside noises, drop any judgments and lovingly return to your breath, moving in and moving out. Now, gently bring to mind a regret you have. It might be something that you've judged yourself for, like a mistake you've made, or an opportunity you wish you hadn't turned down. And set the gentle intention of forgiving yourself. Whether you've hurt yourself or someone you love, with gentleness and compassion, lean into the possibility of forgiveness. And begin to silently repeat these words. I forgive myself for the mistakes I've made. I forgive myself for the pain I've caused. I forgive myself for the mistakes I've made. I forgive myself for the pain I've caused. As you continue to repeat these words, don't force anything. It's okay if you don't feel like you can fully forgive yourself yet. Know that it can take time, so keep planting the intention for forgiveness. I forgive myself for the mistakes I've made. I forgive myself for the pain I've caused. For the next few moments, continue offering yourself these phrases of forgiveness. And at any point, if it feels like too much, return to the sensations of your breath moving in and out of your body. And when you feel ready again, return to the words. I forgive myself for the mistakes I've made. I forgive myself for the pain I've caused. Now, gently release the words and return to your breath. Feel your body breathing in. Notice your body breathing out. And every time you inhale, open up to whatever you are feeling with a sense of acceptance. Every time you exhale, offer yourself kindness and ease. Breathe in acceptance. Breathe out kindness. Now gently soften your attention. Making mistakes is part of the human experience. Many of us can look back at decisions we've made or actions we've taken, wishing that things had gone a different way. It's perfectly normal to feel regret. But when we ruminate on our past and carry it like a dead weight, it only serves to slow us down and prevent us from living authentically. Although making mistakes or poor choices is inevitable, we can learn from our past and use it as motivation to help us move forward with more integrity and wisdom. In fact, a 2016 study published by the University of California, Berkeley, showed that acceptance and forgiveness leads to personal improvement and positive adjustments in the face of regrets. So rather than trying to avoid regret, lean in towards it. As you would with a loved one, offer yourself compassion, understanding, and forgiveness. Take some time to acknowledge the lessons you've learned and to see how you've grown from your mistakes so that you can avoid making similar choices again. Embrace this newfound wisdom as you move forward. Now, take a few deep breaths. Feel your body in space. Become aware of the sounds in the room around you. And slowly open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.